Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming instruments are autoclave safe and manufacturer approved. This prevents damage and ensures sterilization. Once verified, load trays loosely so steam can reach all surfaces. Stacked or sealed items trap air. Make sure the reservoir has the correct amount of distilled water. This prevents scale and maintains proper pressure. Close the door and latch firmly. You're now ready to set temperature and time. These first actions establish conditions for reliable sterilization. You now select the correct cycle for the load. Choose 121 degrees C for 15 to 20 minutes for general items or 134 degrees C for shorter cycles when allowed, because higher temps reduce time. Once started, ensure the machine purges air, either via pre-vacuum or steam flush, so steam contacts surfaces. Trapped air prevents sterilization. Monitor the pressure and temperature gauges, and start your timer only after the set point is reached. If readings fluctuate, slow the process. You finish by allowing the autoclave to complete its drying and depressurization cycle, opening early risks burns and recontamination. Once safe, open the door slightly to equilibrate, then remove packs using aseptic technique and inspect chemical indicators and pack integrity before storage. If you encounter a failed cycle or cold spots, check door gaskets, water level, and that air removal worked. Then rerun the load and a biological indicator to confirm efficacy. This step prevents false assurances of sterility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.